The topic of gender-lens investing is very close to my heart, and it's very important to get more gender expertise into finance. And it's great to see that the coalition is being expanded. And kudos to Criterion for doing this, and hopefully there will be more CSOs that have expertise in gender influencing in impact investing. To see the 5 strategies that were discussed, and it's also important to understand that there are interlinkages between those. So as UN Women works with multiple types of entities, it will be important to identify which ones can work on which strategies and how can they collectively come together to make sure that impact investing and investing in general is more gender inclusive. I think it covered everything quite well. What I would like to see is for the CSOs be provided a little bit more hands-on support, because oftentimes that's what they need in their journey towards becoming a translator. I think it's very in line with one of the strategies, which is attaching value to inclusion and attaching value to gender inclusion. So that is something that I would really like to see, and that is something I feel will drive the other strategies as well. And that is where organizations that work in this field are very important, and such conversations are very important to help do that.